In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to Elementor in WordPress. So in order to add GIFs to your Elementor, what we can do is we can head over first to the actual elementor.com website, log in and create an account if you do not have one yet. Now, in here, Elementor is typically hosted by WordPress. So let's head over here to WordPress option. Click on this login option right here or click on this get started if you don't have an account yet. Since I already have an account, let me head over and click on this login option right here. Now this is the page that I have on my account that have or created by Elementor. You can see it right here. So since I want to add GIFs, what I can do is I can open in here a new tab and search in here for Tenor GIFs. So Tenor actually allows you to embed some GIFs that you want or wish to use into this part. So in here, just go over to tenor.com. You can see this right here and then just choose the GIF that you want. For example, let's choose heart GIFs. So here are some examples. Let's head over and choose in here this particular GIF. Okay, click on that. Click onto this icon right here, which is embed icon, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now head back to your Elementor. Click onto this plus icon. Search in here for HTML, and then add that right here onto this blank part. Now just paste right here the code that we got from Tenor. And then as you can see, the GIF has now been added. Next thing you need to do is just click on this publish option in order to save these changes that you have made. So as you can see, it's now been added through this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.